Industry Power Survey. So I'll give a brief introduction about National Power Portal, then I will give you detailed details about the new module. So National Power Portal is a portal for the Indian power sector, designated as a single source of truth by Ministry of Power, and it facilitates online data capture and input from various generation, transmission and distribution agencies in the country. And it also disseminates power sector information through various analyzed reports, graphs, statistics for generation, transmission and distribution at every level in all India state and central level. So the objective of the new module, that is the Non-Industry and Industry Power Survey, NIPS, is to create a centralized system under National Power Portal to facilitate online monthly data capture from, there are two objectives. One is captive generating plants with installed capacity of 500 kilowatt or above, and another is entities, which includes both industries as well as non-industries having a demand of 500 kilowatt or above. So basically two kinds of data will be captured. One is the generation of the captive generating plants and the data related to the demand side. So few of the salient features of this new module is the registration of the entities, that is the user registration, then registration of the captive generating plants, like if you have 2 captive or 3 captive generating plants, you will register them separately. Then the entire thing will be verified by the RPSO of Central Electricity Authority, and this the entire service will be for 24/7 access and availability, and it will ensure timely data collection, and it will disseminate the information through graphs and charts for various policy planning and decision making. So I will give a detailed I will tell you in detail when in the live demonstration. Right now you can see the landing page, just few snapshots from the landing page and the login menu. I'll just simply skip this part. So the few steps to be followed during the new registration is like you have to click on the new registration option from the login page. Like you can see here, there is an option called new user registration. So you have to register, click on this and you will land in the registration page. So after landing into the registration page, you have to fill the registration details such as your address and your nodal officer names and all contact details and email address and all. After that, an OTP will be sent to your email address, like one-time password, and you'll input the one-time password and your registration will go to the CEA for, like it will go to CEA, RPSO CEA for approval. So they will see your entire details, whether your registration is valid or not. After that, they will either approve or reject. On approval as well as on rejection, you will get an email whether your registration has been completed or not. You will get a detailed idea when the live demonstration comes. So basically there are 3 parts. One part, after the user registration, you have to register as a captive generating plant. Then there is a part that will capture the generation side, that is form part A. It will have 3 subparts, and there is another part called form part B, which will have 4 subparts. So we'll directly go to the live demonstration so that you will have a clear idea. Right now we are running this entire application on a testing server. The live link will be shared by you later on by the RPSOs.
Kashur, 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
So for everyone information that whatever the link which is shown is only for the demo purpose. So live link will be shown.
So in the landing page, you will have a login option here. You just have to click on the login option and it will show the login menu. You don't have to go into that NPP, NPDMS. You just have to concentrate on the NPP, NIPS, that is Non-Industry and Industry Power Survey. So when you click on this button, NPP, NIPS, it will take you to the NIPS portal page. So if you are, for the first time, if you are coming into this portal, you have to do the new user registration. After that, you can simply log in, but for the first time, you have to go to new registration. I'll simply click on this option and the registration page will open. So this is the registration page where you have to give your user details. I'll just fill few of the details and try to explain it alongside. You have to choose your login ID using which you have to log in into the portal. So for demo purpose, I am just choosing one test login ID. I'll just put the password using which I have to log in.
Hello. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Then please share the picture. We are not getting your picture. Whatever you are doing, but only blank is there.
Sir, is it not coming, sir?
No,
Hello?
your registration is visible. We are not getting this picture. Whatever you are telling.
No, we did, I didn't understand your query. Come again?
Sir, I am not getting the picture. What they are telling, clicking, and all those things. What is telling, Shaswan. So please share the picture.
No, I don't. I'm not.
Screen.
Is it screen not visible? Screen not
Yes,
visible.
not visible, sir.
Screen is I would request to concerned person, please rejoin the meeting. Just exit.
You disconnect and rejoin, huh?
Now here is the name of the entity. You have to give the industry name, or if you are non-industry, you have to give that name. So whatever name you are giving, make sure that it is like you don't have to be unique, but it should be like if you have an industry in Delhi and one industry in like Bangalore, you have two industries, and you are the same entity. So just make sure that you specify the location name also, so that it is very like clear. So I'll just put this names, a demo name. Okay. So now we have the type of users. We have 4 type of.
सर मेरा भी कनेक्ट हो गया है.
Okay. Now we have the type of users. There are 4 type of users, like industries with captive generating plants, industries without captive generating plant, non-industry with captive generating plant, and non-industry without a captive power plant. So according to your category, you have to choose whatever like belongs to your category, the type of user. So if you are in industry and captive generating plant, simply select this. And in the type of entity, you will be listed the category of your industry, like automobile, cement, electrical, fertilizers, and everything. And if you sorry, are non-industry there in this session?
Industry is also there.
Okay. If you are non-industry with captive power plant, you have to select non-industry. And here the list like hospital, hotels, housing societies, and all will be already listed there. So I'll just simply select industry with captive power plant and choose like fertilizers for demo purpose. Then I'll put the STD number, landline number. Okay, now this email ID, you have to put an email ID which is available with you, and the OTP will be sent to this email ID only here in this field. So make sure that whenever you are registering, the email ID which you are putting here, it's available with you right now, so that the one-time password will be received there and you can register your user. In case you have to put like you have multiple email IDs, you can simply like provide in the alternate email section. But note that no OTP will be received in the alternate email. The OTP one-time password will receive only this email field. So I'll just put some another for contact purpose. One mobile number. Now the permanent address of your industry. Simply select the district in which it is located. If your correspondent address is also same as the permanent address, simply click on the same as permanent address, and the same details will be copied here. If it is different, you can put your different detail. Now there is a section called contact person details. So we have 2 details here, like the of the nodal officer and the head of the entity. So the nodal officer will be someone who is responsible to enter the monthly data in this portal. So whoever is responsible like to enter the data in this portal from your industry or non-industry, you have to keep their detail here. This any person can be like given that. This is up to you to whom you should like designate for this task. And if any like queries are there, we'll contact this nodal person, nodal officer only. So I'll just simply demo now. Email ID also. Now, head of the entity, each someone of the higher authority than the nodal officer, like which you have added like above. And if the nodal officer is not like responding to our mails and queries, so the head of the entity will be contacted. And basically, the head of the plant is taken as the head of the entity. So it is also up to you to decide who will be the responsible person for the head of the entity.
It can be plant head or location head.
Yes, a location head.
Location head.
Whoever is the immediate senior generally of the nodal officer, so that will be adamant. So there is captcha. I'll just simply copy, write whatever is in this image, and after filling all the details, I'll simply click on the submit. Okay, I have one number is missing in this pin. Okay. Now the registration has been submitted, but one OTP has been received in the email. So I'll just simply go to the registered email ID. One OTP will receive like this. Your OTP to verify or something like that. I will just copy this one-time password, and I will just put it here, and click on the verify button. So once I click on the verify button, your registration will be pending at the RPSO admin and like this Central Electricity Authorities RPSOs. So they will verify your registration, and then they will approve whether it is a valid registration or not. After successful approval, you will receive an email whether your registration has been successful or not. So meanwhile, why I am just accepting the approval, giving approval to this registration. You can ask if you have doubt till now. If a minor doubt.
Anyone having any query regarding this registration?
Sir, sorry for interrupting. Sir, from DNPL terminal we joined very late. Can you go through that once very quickly? There was some problem with us. Network.
No, we will share with.
Pardon, sir. Pardon.
We just need it. No, we will share this recording later on. I mean, what is how? So we just proceed.